Welcome back to the Monday Tech Minute. I want to show you a great way to give your students quick feedback and do that in Google Docs. So if you checked out the Monday Tech Minute episode number 32, we talked about how to do text replacement in an iOS device for your iPhone or your iPad. But hey, let's not leave out our Chromebook, folks, and we can do this inside of Google Docs. So go ahead and open a Google Doc and follow along with me. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Tools and then all the way down to Preferences. Now this is going to open a window that gives you an option to add a shortcut for any kind of feedback that you give. So if you're in a language arts class and your students are working on bibliographies and might need to cite something, come up with a key command. So I'm going to use 3 of these stars. So this will let my students know that they have incorrect formatting of their citation. So I click OK. So now what I'll do is come down. I'm going to make a note here and type in my shortcut, hit the space bar, and now I'll go ahead and highlight this as well so my student can find it easily. And now they know that they need to correct their formatting there for their citation. So try using this to give your students some quick feedback. And hey, here's a really cool perk. If we go over and we open a presentation inside of Google Slides, all of our shortcut information follows us through all the different G Suite tools.